here is a Lakewood C122. There's no model tag. I don't think this is a C122X. No, it's just a C122. If it was a C122X, it would not have stand holes. At least I don't think. Anyway, I got this from a fellow fan collector back in 2017. And had it ever since. And honestly, I ain't really used it much. I just got it just because it's a little baby Lakewood, and I've always wanted these plastic bladed ones, but this one's not going to stick around much longer. I've made a trade deal with another fan collector. I'll be getting a Lakewood pedestal fan, similar like that, but it's the pedestal fan with the white blades. But anyway, this is a lime green model. I don't know what that is. It does have a Fasco motor, and it's from 1977, March to be exact, or excuse me, April to be exact. And yeah, I'll start up on low. It has a very slow low speed too. Kind of like it. And we'll go to high. And then we'll go off. It's got a pretty good spin down too for a 12-inch. I'm kind of surprised by that. But yeah, that's it. And until next time.